Hello student, in last Zoom period we study about brokerage and taxes on share trading and mutual fund. We also study about merits and demerits of mutual funds and a relation between mutual fund and share. How profitable by mutual fund, then by shares, and the number of units and NAV of 1 units into number of units is equal to total fund value in mutual fund. And also solve two examples in practice set 4.4. Means market value of one share is 200. If the brokerage rate is 0.3, then find the purchase value of द शेअर. म्हणजे आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये तो 200 रुपयाचा शेअर खरेदी करताना त्याला लागली जाणारी जी रक्कम आहे, खरेदीची किंमत जी आहे, परचेस जे खरेदी करताना लागणारी जी किंमत आहे 260 रुपीज. अँड ऑल्सो सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल्स व्हेन द शेअर इज सोल्ड. मीन्स सेल केलेला आहे when the market value is 1000 and paid amount the rate of brokerage is 0.1%, then what is the amount received after sale? In third example, fill in the blanks given in contract note of sale purchase of shares. B for buy and yes for sale. Means market value of share is given rupees 45 and rupees 200. This is example. In this example there are some blanks. Fill in the blanks with given the contract's note of sale and purchase the shares. B for buy and yes for sale. For this example we solve first brokerage and number of share is brought. Means number of share brought is 100. Number of share is 100 and market value is 45 rupees. Then total value of share is 45,000. This we write the number of share brought. For this we write number of share brought. Number of shares. Number of share brought is equal to 100. Market value is equal to rupees 45. The total value of the share. Total value of share is equal to number of shares. Number of share into market value. Number of share is 100 into 45 is rupees 4,500. Brokerage is 0.2%. Therefore this is first. Then we calculate the brokerage. A brokerage is equal to 0.2%. Brokerage, therefore brokerage is equal to rupees 4,500 into 0.2 percent is equal to 4500 into 1 divided by 2 upon 10 is 0.2 into percent is 1 upon 100. Then there is a cancel of 2 0. हे 2 शून्य या 2 शून्याला जातील. Then we calculate 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 5 is 10. 5 into 1 is 5 and 5 into 9 is rupees 9. Then we rate CGST 9% on brokerage. CGST 9% on brokerage is equal to CGST is equal to 9 into 9 upon 100 is equal to 9 into 9 is 81 upon 100 is 0.81 is CGST on 9% on brokerage. Similarly, SGST is also 0.81. SGST is equal to CGST is equal to rupees 0.81. Therefore, purchase price of share. Therefore, purchase price of share is equal to total value plus brokerage plus CGST plus SGST. Total value is 4500 plus brokerage is 9 plus 0.81 plus 0.81 rupees. Therefore, purchase price of share is sum of these two is 1 plus 1 is 2, 8 plus 8 is 16 and 1, 9, 10 plus 5 is 5 and बघा ही बेरीज आपल्याला करावी लागेल. उभ्या पद्धतीने केली तर 4500.00 9 plus 9.00 0.81 is 1 plus 1 is 2, 8 plus 8 is 16, 9 plus 1 is 10 and this one is 45 means 4510 rupees 0.62 is a total purchased price of share is rupees 4510 rupees and 62 paise. This is the purchase price of share. Number of share is 100 and number of share is 100 and market value of share is rupees 45. And second, this is first, then we calculate second. In the second we buy S means sell the shares, means first we write number of shares sold, number of share sold is equal to 75, and market value is rupees 200. Total value is equal to 75 into 200 is rupees 15,000. Brokerage is 0.2%. Brokerage 0.2%. Therefore, brokerage is equal to total value into brokerage percent. Total value is 15,000 into 0.2% is 15,000 into 0.2 divided by 100 is, there is a cancel of 20 and 15 to 2 is a 30 and 0, and there is 1 decimal point is brokerage is rupees 30. Then we calculate CGST 9% on brokerage. CGST 9% on brokerage is equal to 30 into 9% means 30 divided by 1 upon, there is a cancel of 1 0 is 9 into 2 is 27.0 and 0 means 1 decimal is 2.70. 2.70 is SGST. Similarly, CGST and SGST means fourth point is SGST is equal to CGST is equal to rupees 2.70. Selling price of shares, fifth point is selling price of share is equal to total value minus in bracket brokerage plus CGST plus SGST. Total value is rupees 15,000 minus brokerage is 30 plus 2.70 plus 2.70 is rupees 15,000 minus in bracket 35.40 is rupees 14,964.60 is the selling price of the share. This is third example. The third example, we fill the blanks in this table in next period. Thank you.